back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing the first grill out of the season. So specifically on the grill I'm doing, and I've already done this, so I'm just gonna intro and outro for you. But the asparagus I'm grilling, and then chicken breasts that you're gonna season, and then we basically top it with barbecue, bacon, and Colby Jack cheese. And then the only thing I'm making in the house is rice, which is nice because it's a hot day and I'm still avoiding turning the AC on. So the rice will get made in the house, but that doesn't heat it up too much. But yeah, I'm gonna take you back earlier today first, show you how I prep the asparagus, because I do put them in a little bit of seasoning before I put them out. And that's like soy sauce, a little bit of olive oil, and I use the Kinder's, the blend, which is basically salt and pepper and garlic. And then for the chicken, we're just gonna top it with Lowry seasoning salt, and then the rest of it goes on once it's cooked. So for the side, besides the asparagus, we're gonna have white rice, and I like to add ranch seasoning to it. Just adds a little bit of flavor. So for the chicken, we're gonna do 3 breasts because I'm doing 3 meals. Although now that I'm looking at it, I could have part of butterflied that one. But we're just gonna use simple Lowry seasoning, and I have the low sodium one. So we're gonna take this stuff outside to grill. Basically we're gonna do 6 minutes on one side and then flip it and do like probably another 6 minutes. Then we'll turn the grill down and do the toppings. Now that you've seen the finished dish, the only thing that I would recommend and do differently is instead of putting the bacon on top of the cheese, I would put it on top of the barbecue so the cheese kind of hugs it all in, because the bacon kept falling off every time I was trying to cut it to eat. But it was very good, very simple. I like the barbecue without it being too much, and the fact that it was just a little bit and then heated. So overall though, this was a good first grill out meal of the season. Hopefully there's many more to come this year. I really want to make the use of the grill as much as I possibly can. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you give this meal a try. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.